So if you're lagging in Roblox on your PS4, well, there are a few things that you could do here to fix this problem. So first thing that you want to do is you want to open up your settings and you want to look for the option here that says network. Now usually this is going to be under your network settings or under your settings here. Just scroll down a bit. It should say network. So go open it up. Now next, in your network settings, you want to go and choose the setup interconnection. Now in here, you want to go and choose custom. Now for the DHCP hostname, you want to go and click on the or select the do not specify option here. Next is you want to identify or choose your IP address settings here. You want to choose automatic. Now for DNS settings, you want to go and choose manual. Now on the next page, you want to go and set your primary and secondary DNS. So for the primary DNS, I would recommend you to use the Google DNS. So usually it's going to be 8.8.8.8. Now secondary DNS is again from Google DNS, or from Google's DNS. So it is 8.8.4.4. Now obviously you could go and try other DNS servers out there, but this is the recommended one. So yeah, so once you've entered this, go ahead and click on next. Now from here, it's going to ask you for the MTU settings. So you could go and choose automatic. Now the proxy server here, you could go and click on do not use. And from then on, that should test your interconnection and you should see an improvement in your connection, but that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.